I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming MIUI and permissions so widgets work reliably. Open Settings, then Home Screen. This gets you to the widget controls. Once done, grant clock and widget permissions if prompted so updates and taps function. You want the system to allow overlays and background refresh, otherwise the clock may freeze. Now go back to the home screen, long press on an empty area, and choose Widgets. This begins the placement step. You pick the clock widget and drag it onto the home screen because that's how you show time without opening apps. After long pressing the home area, tap Widgets, locate clock or weather clock, then press and drag it to the spot you want. Make sure to resize by dragging corners so the layout fits. This also changes the widget's options. If the widget offers style choices, tap them now to set 12-hour or 24-hour format and choose font or color. You finish by customizing the widget settings. Open the widgets gear to set 12-hour versus 24-hour, time zone, and tap to open behavior. Once set, lock the layout by exiting edit mode and confirming. If the time doesn't update, restart the phone first. That fixes permissions and background refresh issues. If restart fails, clear widget or clock app cache, then re-add the widget. This sequence resolves most problems. If not, check MIUI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.